All right, this is going to be a quick video on texture paint, fast forward mode. Okay, here we go. I've got my cube, right? Let's make a new window here. Let's set this window to UV Image Editor. I'm going to go into edit mode. I'm going to mesh, unwrap, smart UV project unwrap it. A little bit of space. Okay, there's my map. I like to name this map, so I go to my data tab. I double click under UV maps. That's my current map, and I'm going to call it my map. Good, named nicely. Now I need an image that I'm going to be putting onto the cube, right? So I need to make a new image. I'm not going to load this one up. I'm going to draw it. New. Let's give this a name. Let's call it my image. Let's make the background sort of yellowish. Hit OK. Zoom out a bit. Perfect. While I'm here, I'm just going to switch this into rendered mode just so I can see this taking place. Now let's actually get this texture onto the cube. So I go to the Material tab. I'll use my gray material that already exists. I'll go to Its Textures. And there's sort of already one there for some reason, but I'll use it. I'll set the type to Image. I'll select that I want to use that image that already exists here in the program. And I'm going to keep scrolling down. And I'm going to say mapping. And I'm going to say use the UV wrap that I made and pick my map. And that's basically it. I'm going to switch the view here to paint. Pop my tool tab open and start to paint away. And as I paint away, you can see the changes being applied. Perfect. Each face relates to a face on here, right? That's the map. That's my image behind. Oh, I love this image. I better save it. Image. I can either save it on the disk or pack it in the file. So pack. I can also do a little painting in this window. Edit mode, texture paint. Oh, there's the same window, same basic options there. It's a little slow in rendered, so I'll go to texture. Texture is going to be faster, right? I'm painting texture stuff. And you can do all the tricks like pressure and stuff like that. There's pressure weights and stuff, and you draw and you have fun with it. And that's basically it. Oh, I really like my changes. Image, pack. So it's saved. That's really it. What do you got now? You have a material that has a texture, and the texture my image is being told how to lay itself out because it uses the UV coordinates of my map. Done.